When it comes to our oral health, we often think of our teeth first and foremost. However, our gums play an important role in keeping our teeth healthy and strong. Just like the rest of our bodies, our gums can be susceptible to several problems, including gum recession. Gum recession is when the gum tissue around the teeth starts to pull away from the teeth, exposing more of the tooth's root. This can happen for several reasons, including aggressive brushing, gum disease, and even genetics. While gum recession is more common as we age, it can happen at any age. If you're concerned about gum recession, there are a few things you can do to help prevent it or at least slow it down. First, be gentle when brushing your teeth. Use a soft-bristled toothbrush and be careful not to brush too hard. You should also floss regularly to remove plaque and bacteria from between your teeth and gums. In addition to these preventive measures, you can also try adding some natural food to your diet that are known to be good for gum health. These include apples. Yes, apples are not only good for your overall health, but they can also help to keep your gums healthy and strong. Apples are so good for your gums because they contain pectin. Pectin is a soluble fiber that helps to fight against gum inflammation and remove plaque from your teeth and gums. Plaque is the sticky film of bacteria that can build up on your teeth and gums. Apples also contain malic acid, which can help to kill the bacteria, which is a major cause of gum disease. So, by eating apples regularly, you can help to remove plaque and prevent gum disease. Additionally, apples contain vitamins A and C, which are both important for gum health. Vitamin A helps to keep your gums healthy and prevents them from drying out, while vitamin C helps to fight against gum inflammation. Celery. This humble vegetable can help to reverse the effects of gum recession. Celery is a great natural remedy for gum recession. The crunchy vegetable is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and K, which are all essential for healthy gums. Vitamin C helps to promote collagen production, while vitamin K helps to strengthen the gums. To use celery for gum recession, simply chew on a celery stalk for a few minutes each day. You can also add celery to your diet by adding it to salads, soups, and stir-fries. If you're struggling with gum recession, give celery a try. It's a natural, effective way to help reverse the effects of this common problem. Carrots. Like celery, carrots are great for scrubbing away plaque and stimulating gum tissue. Carrots are not just good for your eyesight, they can also help to reduce gum recession. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for good oral health. Vitamin A helps to keep your gums healthy and prevents them from receding. So, make sure to include carrots in your diet. You can eat them raw, cooked, or juiced. Yogurt. The probiotics in yogurt can help to fight gum disease by reducing the number of harmful bacteria in the mouth. And they may also help to reduce gum inflammation. To use yogurt for gum recession, simply apply it to the affected area with a cotton swab. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse it off. You can do this once or twice a day. If you don't like the taste of yogurt, you can also find probiotic supplements at your local health food store. Just be sure to choose a supplement that contains live, active cultures. Toothpaste that contains fluoride. Probiotics aren't the only option for treating gum recession. You can also try using toothpaste that contains fluoride. Fluoride helps to remineralize tooth enamel, which can help to reduce the appearance of gum recession. Green tea. Green tea has been used for centuries in Asia for its many health benefits. One of these benefits is its ability to help with gum recession. Green tea contains catechins, which are antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation and swelling and protect gum tissue. Green tea also contains fluoride, which can help to strengthen the teeth and prevent further gum recession. To use green tea for gum recession, you can either drink it or use it as a mouthwash. To make a green tea mouthwash, steep 1 green tea bag in 1 cup of boiling water for 3 minutes. Remove the tea bag and let the liquid cool. Gargle with the green tea for 30 seconds and then spit it out. Repeat this process twice a day. If you drink green tea, make sure to use good quality tea. Steep the tea for 3 minutes and then drink it. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day. You should start to see a difference in your gum recession within a few weeks of using green tea. It may take longer for some people. If you don't see any improvement, consult with your dentist. In addition to eating more natural foods, you should also avoid sugary and acidic foods. These types of foods can damage your gums and make them more susceptible to receding. If you must eat these kinds of foods, be sure to brush your teeth afterward to remove any lingering sugar or acid. If you're concerned about gum recession, talk to your dentist. They can help you determine the cause of the problem and recommend the best course of treatment. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there will be more meaningful and valuable tips coming after this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the video's comment section. And thank you very much for watching.